ready to say hi? Yeah. Wait. This doesn't look right. I think we gotta switch. You're supposed to be on this side. You're always on this side. What the heck? We gotta switch. Does that feel better? Feels better to me.
Go.
Hey!
Hey.
Oh, that was weird. Hey guys, it's Art Mom and... Okay, let's try this again. Hey guys,
Hey
it's
guys.
Art Mom. And this is...
Ziggy.
Ziggy! Yay! And it has been a while. We've just been really busy, you know, enjoying life. So I thought it'd be really cool today to make some slime because I hate slime. I really don't like it. Last time we made slime, it was from a little kit, right?
Yeah.
It was just not working. Everything was just sloppy and sticky and it was just a mess. So I thought I will give it another try.
And Mommy, and it went everywhere on the table. Everywhere.
This time, I think I got a handle on how it's gonna be. I'm gonna try really hard to give slime a good experience. Everyone likes slime. Why does everybody like slime? I don't understand it. So we're gonna try to give slime another go. So I don't know how this is gonna be. I might get real frustrated again.
Click the YouTube channel and watch it on your side. And when you go to Art Mom's future, you need to watch it.
That was really cute. Okay. Let's just do this. Alright. First thing is I gotta move that because it's distracting. Alright. Wow, this is weird. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I don't know.
One chance with the slime.
I told him, if this doesn't work out, we're never making slime again because he got it in his hair. We had to cut some off. I'm having the worst experience with slime. Like, there has to be an enjoyable way. I'm having good vibes. I'm having good feelings. It's gonna be fine. We put our hair up. Kind of. We are going to get first our little mixing thing. This is like real dirty. Let's clean it. Oh, it's just on the outside. I'm just kind of going with the flow, using whatever we have, but obviously we did buy the glue and the activator. Okay, Elmer's glue. We're not making too much slime. Also changes color from blue to purple. It is really cool.
It's tiny.
In the sun. Should have said that. In the sun. And the next thing is the magical liquid. The applicator. We might add some of the marbles in here. I'm not sure yet. And then I have a little bit of this translucent iridescent powder. It's called Pearl X. And then of course just some random glitter. Okay, and the really cool thing that I want to show you guys that we're going to be adding into is these crafting beads. They look like lava rocks. They're so cool. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much, thank you. And paper towels. Because pray for me. Okay, what do we do? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing and I'm worried. Well, there's instructions, right? It says, start by emptying the entire bottle of glue into a bowl. Okay, not doing that part. I'm gonna just try to pour it in and then add a little bit at a time just to kind of see what it's gonna do. we're gonna try, or attempt to try, because I've heard making clear slime is really hard. I don't know.
Hey, look it.
What am I getting myself into? Oh. I don't know.
No!
I don't even know how much. I don't even know how much. Is this enough? Or no, we should make more? I guess I should have measured this out, huh?
Oh my god!
This is how I bake.
No!
Ooh, it's thick. Can you guys see
Wow.
that? If it's too sticky, add more magical liquid, not more glue. Oh, do I want to do this with my hand? I don't.
No! Mom, you're gonna be a mess!
Okay. It says just to like mix it together. When it's not messy and sticky, I'll let you put in all the stuff and mix it around, okay? Right now it's just, it's okay. It's confined in here. I'm good, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Okay, let's take a second here. If you want me to keep going? If you are a slime expert, okay? Slime is your whole job. 1, that's awesome. 2, don't judge me, because I don't really know what I'm doing.
Mommy's is a maker.
I'm a maker. Thank you, sweetie. That's sweet. I'd be really sad if that didn't record. I don't know, it's been a long time, you guys.
Yeah,
Dang. I don't know how to record anymore.
maker.
I'm still a maker, thank you. I don't know how to record. I don't know how to make slime. Okay, it's starting to collect a little better. Kind of like it was liquidy and now it's kind of turning into more of like goopy boogers. So
That's funny.
I think maybe if we add some more, I mean, I don't even know if this is gonna be enough. Okay, add just a little bit, please. Like a little bit. There you go. Okay, that's good. That is perfect. Wow, look at you. High five. Yes. That's what I'm talking about, Ziggy.
No.
No?
Not eat
Oh, I thought you could eat this. No? You can't eat this? Okay, don't eat the slime. What do you think? I think it's almost there. Ugh. It's like dog drool. My hand's so tired. Will you mix my hand for me?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, so that's a lot of bubbles. If you know how to make clear slime, please let me know in the comments below so I can retry to make this if I'm not doing it right.
I'll make it more.
Okay.
That's
Woo! It's actually kind of cool though.
This slime is our troll. No!
Thick. Do you hear it? There's like literally like spider webs now. Is this correct? Look at that. Look at that. It's like coming off the bowl now.
Oh!
That's kind of good, right? Is that good?
Yeah!
Stuck to my glove. Are you supposed to wear gloves when you do slime?
You did it?
I'm trying. Oh, my glove's coming off with it. No. Okay. Ah! This is like the weirdest feeling, you guys, like, because I can't feel the slime on this side. I can only feel the slime on this side, but I feel the glove like slipping off. I don't even know if you can like see this well enough, but it's really pretty. It's super bright on the camera, but it's like a pearly iridescent color. Is that good consistency? Is this like the kind of slime that you're supposed to have.
This is my baby right here.
This is like flubber. You guys know what I'm talking about? Flubber? Try it out.
Yeah, it's good.
Is good?
This is my
Did I do it?
Yes.
Yes! Okay. Hey, if he says I did,
Ugh,
that's all I
it's
need.
sticking. No! Oh.
Spider-Man over here. Oh my god. Ooh. It's like poppy. Like a chewing gum. It's so rubbery. And like really stretchy. We did it. We did. Now since the slime is like a pearly, iridescent-y white color, our original ideas probably will not go well. However, let's just lay it out and see if it gets all flat. Like all the other slime videos. This. You want to pour some in? Go for it. It right here. Just a bit of glue. Really pretty. Nice job. Okay, you want to put some of these? We'll add some of these little beads to represent like planets and rock and moons.
This will be the Earth all the way up there. And this will be the moon right down here.
Okay, we're gonna add some of that Pearl X to it.